turn it over on the side. Your chin should be on the line with your shoulder. And the other side, check it. Is it your painful neck here or not? And your head backwards, is it painful here or forward? Is it painful behind here? So try it one more time. Your chin, turn it on the other side, turn it. If it's stiff in the neck, you will try the first technique now. One finger over the other technique. So then we're going to turn our neck like this. So the muscle, you can feel it. It's maybe a little bit painful. So then I put one finger over the other, come behind the muscle like this, and I can feel it. It's a little bit tender. And then I'm pulling like this, pulling with my elbow, pulling, and I can feel this, the string, the muscle fibers like here. And I'm crossing it. The muscles going like this, and you're gonna cross it. One finger over the other, come behind, and pull it through like this. Okay? And then you're gonna check it, your chin again, coming over. Is it better now? If not, try one more time. One finger over the other, twist your neck, check the muscle, come behind, and pull through like that. All right, that's the first technique. It will help you better circulation to your neck, your head, your chin. And then next technique is the climber grip. So same principle. We go like this, turn our neck so the muscle get a little bit longer, so you can come behind. And now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers you can pull with, and pulling with your elbow, and push in like this, and gently add some pressure so you can pull through it, the muscle. There we go. I can feel and I can hear it like that. Softer is better, so try. Is it softer? And test your neck again. Much better. Okay. Then the third technique is the knuckle technique. So what you do is you make a fist like this, and the other finger go higher. You're gonna pull this finger a bit higher like that, and this knuckle is not gonna give up. So same principle. I go over with my chin, a little bit back. Here's the muscle. Levator scapula is the name of the muscle. Use your knuckle like this. Go in, and I find some ground, and I pull through like that. And it gets softer. Softer is better, and better mobilization. So I try, much better. And I go upwards and forward. So that's 3 techniques. It's the one finger over the other, it's the climber grip, and it's the knuckle grip. All 3 techniques gonna help you with your neck. So to better circulation to the muscles, so the muscles you're gonna cross, massage it with your knuckle or your climber grip, or your one finger over the other. Not only will we teach you how you treat yourself, we will give it for you for free. So you will save some time and your pain and money. So keep watching, and remember to subscribe to learn how to fix yourself for a whole body.